Filter types and testing equipment. This table outlines the levels of HEPA filters and general ventilation filters along with relevant standards. Standards and filter types. EN 1822 and ISO 29463. These standards are for HEPA ULPA filters, typically using aerosols as the testing medium. ISO 16890, EN 779, and ASHRAE 52.2. These standards apply to fine filters and below. They require testing of filter efficiency for various particle sizes and may include dust loading tests. These methods focus on measuring overall filtration efficiency. H13 and above filters. Standards require individual leak testing for these filters, usually conducted with automatic scanning equipment for comprehensive detection. Our testing equipment. 1. Leak scanning testing equipment. Model SCLA023. Description: an automatic scanning system for detecting leaks in high-efficiency filters, providing detailed local efficiency measurements to ensure quality and performance. 2. Overall efficiency measurement systems. Models SC1690, SC7099. Description: used for measuring the overall efficiency of general ventilation filters, supporting standards such as ISO 16890, EN 779, and ASHRAE 52.2. The efficiency measurement range exceeds standard requirements. This equipment also provides overall efficiency testing for ENT 22-5s, ISO 29463-5, with capabilities up to H114 at 0.3 millimeters. 3 filter material testing equipment models, SCFT 1406D H/DU Pro Series. Description: offers 3 models for testing filter materials across different efficiency ranges up to U17 level MPPS efficiency. Testing of 0.3 millimeter particles is most common, with support for other particle sizes as well. Since has expanded the filter testing range in its product design to meet customer needs. This enables customers to achieve more product testing with minimal investment while ensuring accuracy and reliability. The design is highly user-friendly for filter manufacturers,